Okay, Henry, imagine this. You're starving. You walk into a restaurant. The waiter comes and says, "What would you like to order?" And suddenly your brain forgets all English words. Not even pizza, just silence.
That's literally me last summer in New York. I wanted to order pasta, but ended up saying, long noodles, tomato thing. The waiter looked at me like I was describing a crime scene.
Long noodles with tomato crime scene. 5-star chef special.
Exactly. And the worst part, they brought me soup. Soup. I was so hungry and ready for pasta, but I got a sad little bowl of soup. That's why today we need to help people order food in English without the stress, without the soup surprise.
Yes, because eating is fun, but ordering food in another language can feel like a big, scary test. But don't worry, today we'll show you real English phrases, real conversations, and even some funny mistakes so you'll never feel nervous again.
So, Emma, let's start with the basics. Why is ordering food such an important skill in English?
Because it's real life. You can survive without Shakespeare. You can survive without big business English. But you cannot survive without food. At some point, you're going to walk into a cafe or a restaurant or even a McDonald's and you'll need English.
True, food is like the ultimate international connection. Everyone eats, but the phrases change depending on where you are.
Right. And we're going to make it simple. No complicated grammar, no long vocabulary lists. Just real, everyday sentences you can use immediately.
Okay, but let me ask, what's the first thing I say when I go into a restaurant?
Easy. Smile and say, "A table for two, please," or "A table for one, please." That's it. No need to give your life story. Don't say, "Hello, I am hungry, I am Henry, and my favorite color is blue." Just keep it simple.
So, no autobiography. Got it.
Exactly. Okay, viewers, repeat after me. "A table for two, please." Good. Now, "A table for one, please." Perfect.
Hey, Emma, what if I have 3 friends, 4 people total?
Then you say, "A table for four, please." Easy. Numbers plus please. Done.
Wow, English hack unlocked.
Let's practice with you, Henry. Imagine you're at the door of a restaurant. I'll be the host. Ready?
Okay, let's go.
Good evening. How many people?
A table for 2, please.
Perfect. See how easy that was?
Yeah, but in real life, I panic. I forget the number 2. My brain goes 1, 3, 6. Help!
That's why we practice here. So when you're hungry in real life, you're ready.
Okay, but after sitting down, the scary part begins. The menu. Drinks first, right?
Yes. The waiter usually asks, "Can I get you something to drink?" Or "What would you like to drink?"
Okay, what can I say?
Here are 3 easy answers. "I'd like a glass of water, please." "Can I have a Coke, please?" "I'll have an orange juice."
Simple. But what if I don't want anything?
Then just say, "No, thank you, just water for me."
Nice. I usually just say no and wave my hands like a crazy person. The waiter looks scared.
Yeah, let's not terrify the waiter. Use polite English, people.
Emma, you know me. I always order coffee, even at dinner, even at midnight.
I know. Waiters always ask, "Sir, are you okay?" But you still say, "Yes, one coffee, please."
You're basically keeping the coffee industry alive.
True.
Without me, Starbucks would collapse.
Okay, viewers, what about you? What's your favorite drink to order? Comment below. Coffee, tea, juice, or maybe something fancy like a milkshake.
Yeah, tell us in the comments. And if you're a coffee addict like me, I want to know your daily cup number.
All right, Henry, we've got our drinks. Now comes the big moment. Food. The waiter usually asks, "Are you ready to order?" Or, "What would you like to eat?"
Yeah, and that's the moment my brain goes blank. The menu looks like a 500-page novel, and I panic.
True, menus can feel like Harry Potter books. But here's the trick. You don't need to understand every word. Just focus on what you want. Then use a simple phrase. I'd like.
So if I want pizza, I just say, I'd like a pizza, please. Easy.
Exactly. Or, can I have a pizza, please? Or, I'll have the pizza. All three are correct. All three sound natural.
Cool. So 3 magic spells. I'd like, can I have, I'll have. Got it.
Good evening. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like the cheeseburger, please.
Would you like fries with that?
Yes, please. And a small salad.
See? Easy, polite, done.
Yeah, but if it were real life, I'd probably say, burger me, salad me, everything me. The waiter would run away.
Laughing. Yes, Henry. Don't shout, "Burger me." That's not English. That's scary.
Okay, but sometimes I want to change something, like no onions. How do I say that?
Great question. Easy phrases. No onions, please. Could I have it without onions? Or, can you make it without cheese? Polite and simple.
So I can say, I'd like the burger, but without onions. Perfect.
Yes. And if you want extra something, say, "Can I have extra cheese?" Or, "More sauce, please."
Extra cheese. Always extra cheese. My body is 70% cheese.
True. If you cut Henry open, mozzarella comes out.
You know, once I tried to order a sandwich without mayonnaise, but I panicked. I didn't know the word mayonnaise. So I told the waiter, no white slime thing. He was so confused.
No white slime thing? Oh my God, poor waiter. He probably thought you were describing an alien.
Yeah, and guess what? I still got mayonnaise. Double mayonnaise, actually.
Okay, guys, lesson learned. Just say, "Without mayonnaise," or point at the menu and say, "No mayo, please." Don't invent alien words.
But Emma, sometimes the waiter comes too fast. I need more time. What do I say?
Easy. Say, "Could I have a few more minutes, please?" Or, "I need a little more time, thank you." Or just, "Not yet, please." Simple, polite, the waiter will leave and come back.
Okay, so no need to scream, leave me alone, I'm stressed. Got it.
Yes, no screaming, just polite English.
All right, viewers, let's practice together. I'll say the waiter line, you answer at home.
Are you ready to order?
Okay. If you said, I'd like a pizza, please, awesome. If you said, I'll have the burger, also awesome. If you said, long noodles crime scene, no. Try again.
Yes, please don't say crime scene.
But Emma, what about side dishes like fries, salad, rice?
Good point. The waiter might ask, "Would you like a side with that?" Or, "Do you want fries or salad?" You can answer, "Fries, please," "A salad, please," or "No side, thank you."
I always want fries. Fries are life. If I could, I'd order fries with a side of fries.
Laughing. Yeah, I believe that. Fries with fries, the Henry special. Here's another thing, Henry. If you order steak, the waiter might ask, "How would you like it cooked?" That means rare, medium, or well done.
Oh, the scary meat question. Rare, medium, well done? I never know.
Don't panic. Rare equals red inside, medium equals a little pink, well done equals brown, no pink.
Okay, I'll just say medium. That feels safe. Not too bloody, not too shoe leather.
Exactly. Safe zone, medium. Good evening. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll have the grilled chicken with rice, please.
Would you like a side salad?
Yes, please. No onions in the salad.
Of course. And how about a drink?
A Coke, please.
Perfect order. Polite, clear, no stress.
Yes, no soup surprise this time.
Okay, after the main meal comes my favorite part. Dessert.
Dessert is dangerous. If the waiter says, "Would you like dessert?" my brain says no, but my stomach says yes.
True. Easy phrases for dessert. Yes, please. Can I see the dessert menu? I'll have the chocolate cake. No, thank you. I'm full.
I'm never full. There's always space for cake. Cake goes to a special stomach.
Exactly. Science fact. Humans have two stomachs, one for normal food, one for cake.
Hey viewers, what about you? Do you usually order dessert at restaurants or do you skip it? Tell us in the comments. Dessert stomach, yes or no?
Yeah, I need to know if I'm not alone in this cake obsession. Wow, Henry. I think I ate too much.
Same here. But hey, at least we got to practice English while eating. That's a win-win, right?
Exactly. That's what I love. You can learn English in normal situations, like eating, ordering food, or just hanging out with friends.
True. And you know what? Ordering food is such an important skill. Everyone eats. Everyone goes to restaurants or cafes. So if you know these phrases, boom, you're confident anywhere in the world.
And trust me, once you order your first coffee in English without fear, you'll feel like a champion.
Okay, let's do a quick recap for our friends watching.
Good idea. So today we practice how to order food in a natural way, ask about the menu and ingredients, say what you like and don't like, make small talk while eating.
Yep, and we did it all in casual English, not boring textbook sentences.
Now it's your turn, friends. Imagine you're sitting in a restaurant right now. What would you order in English?
Write it in the comments below. You can even write a short role play. I'll have a burger, please. Or, can I get pasta with no cheese?
We'll check the comments and maybe even reply to some of you with fun answers.
All right, Emma, last question for you before we go. If you could eat only one food for the rest of your life, what would it be?
Oh no, only one? That's torture. Okay, I'll say pizza because you can change the toppings, so it's like cheating.
Smart choice. I'd pick sushi. Endless variety.
Okay, friends, tell us in the comments, what's your forever food? We really want to know.
And don't forget, hit the like button if you enjoyed eating English with us, subscribe for more fun conversations, and share this video with your friends who love food and English.
Until next time, keep learning, keep smiling.
And keep speaking English naturally. Bye!